In this video we're going to take a look at PowerDesigner's cross-model impact and lineage analysis. Impact analysis allows you to review and analyze the effects of changes to your models before performing them, while lineage analysis lets you trace the objects that feed into and help in the definition of the analyzed object. Here we're starting from a project that contains several different types of interconnected models. To start, I open the business process model and I'll perform an impact analysis on the process corporate order process. The impact and lineage analysis window opens and lists the objects that feed into or are impacted by any change to the present object. The rules that govern the analysis are defined in PowerDesigner resource files. Several rule sets are provided and you can define your own. Here I'm going to select a custom restricted impact analysis to refine the information that will be displayed, and for the present suppress the lineage analysis. The tree is regenerated and I can open the nodes to trace the connections between objects and across models. I pass from the process through CDM entities to the tables generated from them. To be sure of having the full range of dependencies between objects, we recommend that you check your models into a PowerDesigner repository and extract their dependencies. I can perform various actions on any of the objects present in the tree, including changing their analysis rules, removing them from the analysis, locating them in the browser, and opening their property sheets. I can change the rule set being applied at any time. Here I'll add a limited lineage analysis rule set. This lineage analysis allows me to see the requirements that are fulfilled by the process. The analysis in this window is temporary, but I can use it to generate an impact analysis model. In the model, the analysis tree is represented in the form of a diagram. You can zoom in using the magnifying tool, but I'm going to keep the full tree on the screen. The requirements that feed into the process are to the left of the analyzed object, and the objects impacted by it fan out to the right. The same analysis tree is also present in the browser and provides a useful list of the models impacted by the change. I can select any of the objects in the diagram and perform various actions on them. Here I'm going to change the objects that will be analyzed for impact resulting from changes made to the customer entity. In the Analysis Objects dialog, we see that we are only analyzing the relationships that are affected by changing the entity. I'm going to select to analyze the identifiers as well. I can make the change locally on this object only, or apply it to the rule set that I'm using in this analysis. Here I choose to apply this change only to the entity metaclass, but I could apply it to all other metaclasses that have a similar relationship with the identifier metaclass. PowerDesigner opens the rule set in the resource editor, and I can verify that now the rule set includes a rule to check the impact on identifiers of a change to an entity. You can open a rule set in the resource editor at any time by clicking on the blue set square tool to the right of the rule set in the analysis window, or by selecting Tools, Resources, Impact and Analysis Rule Sets, and double-clicking the appropriate rule set in the list. My analysis will be refreshed with the new rule, and a whole new branch is added to our diagram. I'll click Undo to make this clear. The flexibility of the PowerDesigner impact and lineage analysis gives you very fine-grained control that allows you to have as much or as little detail as you need to analyze your changes. You can save impact analysis models as snapshots of your modeling project, make model-to-model comparisons between them, and even merge them. For more information, see the Impact and Lineage Analysis chapter in the Core Features Guide.